Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to fix Elementor Editor not loading. If you've been frustrated by the Elementor Editor failing to load, this guide will walk you through the most effective troubleshooting steps to get it working again. Let's dive right in and resolve this issue. First, you'll need to go to your WordPress website's admin dashboard and log in. Once you're logged in, look at the left menu and click on Updates. This is where you can check if any core WordPress updates are pending. If you see updates available, click Update Now next to WordPress and follow the prompts that appear. Keeping WordPress up to date is crucial because compatibility issues between outdated core files and Elementor can often cause the editor to malfunction. While you're in the Updates section, you can also update your plugins. Scroll down until you see the plugins list and check the box beside Select All to select all plugins that need updating. Then click Update Plugins to install all available updates at once. This ensures that all your plugins are running their latest versions, which can resolve conflicts that might be preventing Elementor from loading properly. After that, scroll down again to the Themes section and update your themes. Pick the version you're currently using, whether it's 2025 or 2024, then select Update Themes. Outdated themes can sometimes interfere with how page builders like Elementor function, so keeping them current is an important step. Next, hover over Plugins in the left menu and click Installed Plugins. Find Elementor in the list, and if there's an Update Now button available, click it. Repeat this same process for Elementor Pro if you have it installed. These updates often include bug fixes and compatibility improvements that directly address loading issues. While you're still in the Installed Plugins list, take a moment to update any other plugins that are showing updates by clicking Update Now. Beside each one, this comprehensive update approach helps eliminate any plugin conflicts that could be causing the editor not to load. If after all these updates the Elementor editor is still not loading, it's time to troubleshoot plugin conflicts. You'll need to deactivate all plugins except Elementor and Elementor Pro. To do this efficiently, select all other plugins by clicking the box beside plugin at the top of the list, which will select everything. Then choose Deactivate from the Bulk Actions drop-down menu and click Apply. This process isolates Elementor and helps you identify if another plugin was causing the conflict. And there you have it, you've systematically addressed the most common causes of Elementor editor loading issues. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.